What is the revised ways and means advances limit for central government for first half of financial year 21? The options given are: first option 1.5 lakh crore, second option 1.65 lakh crore, third option 2 lakh crore, fourth option 1.75 lakh crore, fifth option 2.15 lakh crore. The answer is option 3, 2 lakh crore. What is the revised PPF interest rate for the first quarter of financial year 21, the lowest since 1977? The options given are: option 1 8%, option 2 7.7%, option 3 6.4%, option 4 7.1%, option 5 5.2%. The answer is option 4, 7.1%. The next question is: what is the approved amount under Indian COVID-19 emergency response and health system preparedness package by Government of India? The options given are: 5,000 crores, 10,000 crores, 25,000 crores, 15,000 crores, 20,000 crores. The answer is option 4, 15,000 crores. The next question is: gallows are the tribal in which Indian state? Options given are: Arunachal Pradesh, option 2 Sikkim, option 3 Nagaland, option 4 Ladakh, option 5 Himachal Pradesh. The answer is option 1, Arunachal Pradesh. The next question is: Rohtang Pass is located in which Indian state or union territory? The options given are: Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Nagaland, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh. The answer is option 5, Himachal Pradesh. Irfan Khan was passed away recently is dash. The option given are: lawmaker, 2 painter, 3 freedom fighter, 4 actor, 5 cyclist. The answer is option 4, actor. Indian women's team has qualified for ODI Women's World Cup 2021. Name the country which is going to host the tournament. Options given are: option 1 New Zealand, option 2 South Africa, option 3 Australia, option 4 England, option 5 Bangladesh. The answer is option 1 New Zealand. Suresh N. Patil has been appointed as the Vigilance Commissioner in Central Vigilance Commission CVC. He is the former chief of which bank? The options given are: option 1 Andhra Bank, option 2 Allahabad Bank, option 3 Canara Bank, option 4 Syndicate Bank, option 5 Bank of Baroda. The answer is option 1 Andhra Bank. The next question is: the Asian Development Bank has approved to provide USD 346 loan for which state to provide better power connection in rural areas? The options given are: option 1 Goa, option 2 Himachal Pradesh, option 3 Gujarat, option 4 Maharashtra, option 5 Punjab. The answer is option 4 Maharashtra. Cricketer Omar Akmal, who was banned from international cricket for 3 years for match fixing, belongs to which country? The options given are: option 1 Australia, option 2 South Africa, option 3 Afghanistan, option 4 Pakistan, option 5 Oman. Answer is option 4 Pakistan. Name the IIT which has designed Warbot which can deliver medicines and food to COVID-19 patients. Options given are: option 1 IIT Delhi, option 2 IIT Bombay, option 3 IIT Ropar, option 4 IIT Mandi, option 5 IIT Kharagpur. Answer is option 3 IIT Ropar. Among the following is a part of Texer Publishing Limited's The Medicine Maker Power List 24 2020. The options given are: option 1 Glenn Saldana, option 2 Dilip Sanghvi, option 3 Umang Vora, option 4 Sharvil Pankajbhai Patel, option 5 Kiran Mujumdar Shah. The answer is option 5 Kiran Mujumdar Shah. What is the grant that was approved to give to India as loan by Asian Development Bank ADB to combat COVID-19? Options given are: option 1 $2 billion, option 2 $1 billion, Option 3, $1.5 billion. Option 4, $2.5 billion. Option 5, $5 billion. The answer is option 3, $1.5 billion. R.V. Bushkute, who passed away recently, is the options given are option 1, freedom fighter, option 2, environmentalist, option 3, theater actor, option 4, photographer, option 5, painter. The answer is option 1, freedom fighter. Kerala-based innovator Rosnibai has developed 10 varieties of which flower by cross-pollination recently. The options given are Phalaenopsis, Anthurium, Chrysanthemum, Dianthus and Lilium. The answer is option 2, Anthurium. The next question is, what is the rank of India in military spending among the world with 71.1 billion USD as per report of Stockholm International Peace Research Institute SIPRI. The options given are option 1 3, option 2 1, option 3 2, option 4 4, option 5 6. The answer is option 1 3. On occasion of Chinese Space Day April 24, 2020, the China has named its first Mars exploration mission as Kaitouji 1, Shenzhou 1, Jiuquan 1, Tiangong 1, Tianwen 1. The answer is option 5, Tianwen 1. Name the person who has been appointed as the Central Vigilance Commissioner. Option 1, Sudhir Bhargava. Option 2, Bimal Julka. Option 3, Suresh Patel. Option 4, Amita Pandau. Option 5, Sanjay Kotari. Option 5, Sanjay Kotari. Name the first non-bank company which gets RBI note to enter into co-branding arrangements for prepaid instruments. The options given are option 1, Transcorp International Limited, option 2, Indian Oil Corporation, option 3, Simple Click International Limited, option 4, Yatra International Limited, option 5, Etihad Guest International Limited. The answer is option 1, Transcorp International Limited. April 24-30 has been observed as World Immunization Week, which is the theme for the year 2020. The options given are option 1, vaccines to save you, option 2, vaccines work for all, option 3, close the immunization gap, option 4, vaccines work, option 5, protected together. The answer is option 2, vaccines work for all. What is the name of the high pressure ventilator which was developed by US Space Agency NASA to fight COVID-19? The options given are option 1, viral, option 2, infect, option 3, fight, option 4, vital, option 5, emerge. The answer is option 4, vital. The Ministry of Shipping has given its consent for reconstitution of 16-member National Shipping Board NSB recently. Name the person who heads NSB. Option 1, T. Swaminathan. Option 2, Malini Shankar. Option 3, S. Rajagopal. Option 4, Rajiv Gauba. Option 5, Kamel Pandey. Answer is option 2, Malini Shankar. To which Indian state World Bank approved rupees 585 crore for upgradation of roads and modernization of public work department PWB? The options are option 1, Uttar Pradesh, option 2, Madhya Pradesh, option 3, Andhra Pradesh, option 4, Arunachal Pradesh, option 5, Himachal Pradesh. The answer is option 5, Himachal Pradesh. What is the coal production target of country for the financial year 2020-21 as per Union Coal and Mines Minister Pralhad Joshi? The options given are option 10 MT, option 2 1000 MT, option 3 920 MT, option 4 655 MT, option 5 840 MT. The answer is option 1 710 MT. Mirabai Charu and Jeremy Larinunga, who is in news recently, belongs to which sports? Option 1, wrestling, option 2, boxing, option 3, shooting, option 4, weightlifting, option 5, badminton. The answer is option 4, weightlifting. Name the organization in its report titled COVID-19 Crisis Through a Migration Lens, Protected 23, decline in migrants remittances to India in 2020 due to COVID-19. The options given are option 1 International Monetary Fund, option 2 World Bank, option 3 World Trade Organization, option 4 Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, option 5 Commonwealth Nations. The answer is option 2 World Bank. Name the first Arab nation which is going to legalize cannabis, marijuana farming. The options given are Lebanon, option 2 Yemen, option 3 Saudi Arabia, option 4 Oman, option 5 Libya. The answer is option 1 Lebanon. Name the organization which has launched Lockdown Learners series of online dialogues with students and educators in India on COVID-19. The options given are option 1 United Nations Industrial Development Organization, option 2 United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organizations, option 3 World Meteorological Organization, option 4 United Nations Office on Drugs and Crimes, option 5 United Nations Children's Fund. The answer is option 4 the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crimes. Noor is the first military satellite of which country? The options given are option 1 Turkey, option 2 Kuwait, option 3 Israel, option 4 Iraq, option 5 Iran. The answer is option 5 Iran. Name the country which has become the first dark sky place by International Dark Sky Association. The options given are option 1 New Zealand, option 2 Tonga, option 3 Samoa, option 4 Nui, option 5 Cooklands. The answer is Nui. Where is the headquarters of International Court of Justice ICJ located? The options given are option 1 Hague, Netherlands, option 2 New Delhi, India, option 3 Rome, Italy, option 4 Vienna, Austria, option 5 London, UK. The answer is Hague, Netherlands. Name the term which is used by the central bank under which funds are transferred from the central bank to the state and the union governments, which empowers the public with money to buy things. The options given are option 1 train money, option 2 helicopter money, option 3 bus money, option 4 ship money, option 5 jet money, helicopter money. The theme for 50th edition of Earth Day is climate action, which was the Earth Day celebrated annually. The options given are March 23rd, March 28th, April 22nd, June 12th, October 6th. The answer is option 3 April 22nd. The tropical butterfly conservatory has been developed in which Indian state to create awareness about butterfly and its importance in ecology? The options given are option 1 Karnataka, option 2 Telangana, option 3 Andhra Pradesh, option 4 Kerala, option 5 Tamil Nadu. The answer is option 5 Tamil Nadu. Name the tech giant company which has acquired 9.99% stake in Reliance Jio for rupees 43,574 crores, the largest FDI in the telecom sector. The options given are option 1 Facebook, option 2 Twitter, option 3 Microsoft, option 4 Google, option 5 Apple. The answer is Facebook, option 1. Norway topped the World Press Freedom Index 2020 compiled by the Paris-based reporters Sans Frontières among 180 countries, which is the rank of India in the index. Option 1 142, option 2 110, option 3 135, option 4 120, option 5 89. The answer is option 1 142. The central government's appointed committee suggested a complete restructure of how states collect and compile data from state level gross domestic product GDP and other estimates. Name the person who heads the committee. The options given are option 1 VK Paul, option 2 Tapan Roy, option 3 Ravindra H. Dholakia, option 4 Amit Khare, option 5 Vijay Raghavan. The answer is option 3 Ravindra H. Dholakia. Find the Indian badminton player who has been named as one of the ambassadors of Badminton World Federations BWF I am Badminton campaign. The options given are option 1 Lakshya Sen, option 2 PV Sindhu, option 3 Srikanth Kidambi, option 4 Sai Praneeth, option 5 Saina Nehwal. The answer is option 2 PV Sindhu. Newell Quinn has been appointed as the CEO of which multinational bank? The options given are option 1 HSBC Bank, option 2 BNP Paribas, option 3 Deutsche Bank, option 4 Standard Chartered Bank, option 5 Bank of China. The answer is option 1 HSBC Bank. RBI has cancelled the license to conduct banking business of which urban cooperative bank based on Goa? The options given are option 1 the Akola Janata Commercial Cooperative Bank, option 2 Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank, option 3 TJSB Sahakari Bank, option 4 SBPP Cooperative Bank, option 5 Kalyan Janata Sahakari Bank. The answer is option 2 Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank. Name the person who authorized the book titled How the Onion Got Its Layers. The options given are option 1 Sudha Murthy, option 2 Anita Desai, option 3 Kamila Shamsi, option 4 Kiran Desai, option 5 Anuja Chauhan. The answer is answer 1 Sudha Murthy. Name the private bank in India which had launched voice assistant based banking services on its integrated AI chatbot iPal with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The options given are option 1 ICICI Bank, option 2 HDFC Bank, option 3 Axis Bank, option 4 Yes Bank, option 5 IndusInd Bank. The answer is option 1 ICICI Bank. Name the company which has become the first member of India's gas trading platform named Indian Gas Exchange IGX. The options given are option 1 Adani Power Limited, option 2 Indian Power Limited, option 3 Reliance Power Limited, option 4 HP Power Limited, option 5 Manikaran Power Limited. The answer is option 5 Manikaran Power Limited. Name the first state in the country to get geotag for community kitchens, tied up with Google for geomap location. The options given are option 1 Goa, the option 2 Uttar Pradesh, option 3 Kerala, option 4 Bihar, option 5 Odisha. The answer is option 2 Uttar Pradesh. Name the person who heads the high-level task force formed by central government for vaccine and drug testing for COVID-19. The options given are option 1 Vinod Paul, option 2 Krishnaswamy Vijayaraghavan, option 3 Rajiv Garg, option 4 both 1 and 2, option 5 both 1 and 3. The answer is option 4 both 1 and 2. Name the company which has launched a new virtual Braille keyboard named TalkBack. The options given are option 1 Apple, option 2 Google, option 3 Facebook, option 4 Microsoft, option 5 Samsung. The answer is option 2 Google. Name the person who has been appointed as the ambassador of the World Wildlife Fund WWF, India's environment education program. The option is Rani Rampal. The option 2 is Virat Kohli. Option 3 is Vishwanathan Anand. Option 4 is Sharad Kamal. Option 5 is Koneru Hampi. The answer is 3 Vishwanathan Anand. What is the current reverse repo rate of India was announced by RBI as per April 17, 2020. The options given are option 1 3.5%, option 2 3%, option 3 3.25%, option 4 4%, option 5 3.75%. The answer is option 5 3.75%.